In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable background sounds from playing on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up at the top left, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility. On the right side underneath Hearing, you want to select where it says Audio. Go ahead and select that. If background sounds is currently enabled and toggled to the right, you want to disable it by just clicking inside the oval one time to turn to the left until it's grayed out, and that is how you disable it. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.